Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to an FTP server. First, understand that FTP, or File Transfer Protocol, allows you to move files between your computer and a remote server. You will need an FTP client, which is a software application that facilitates this connection. Gather your host address, username, and password. These are essential credentials provided by your hosting service for securely accessing your server. We will cover these crucial steps in detail. Selecting the right FTP client is your next step. Popular choices like FileZilla work across multiple operating systems, while WinSCP is excellent for Windows, and CyberDuck serves Mac users well. After choosing, download and install the client on your computer. Crucially, ensure you have your FTP host address, username, and password ready. These are typically provided by your web host or server administrator. Now, let's establish the connection. Open your installed FTP client. You will typically find a quick connect bar or a site manager option. Enter the host address, your username, and the password into the designated fields. The standard port number for FTP is 21, but always confirm if your provider specifies a different one. Finally, click Connect to securely access your remote server. Once connected, transferring files is straightforward. You can simply drag and drop files between your local computer's folders and the remote server's directories within the client interface. For enhanced security, always prioritize using SFTP or FTPS, which encrypt your data during transfer. After completing your file operations, remember to disconnect from the server to maintain security and free up resources. This ensures your data remains safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.